If you want to change your administrator name on Windows 10, here is the easiest step-by-step guide. First, right-click on the Start menu and choose Computer Management. Now, in Computer Management, go to Local Users and Groups. Open the file and then click on Users. And then here, you're gonna find all of these users. Just choose the one that says Administrator, right-click on it and click on Rename. Type your new name and press Enter. And that's it. Simple and fast. Important notes: if you're using a Microsoft account, changing the name here won't update the online name. You'll need to change it on account.microsoft.com and it will sync automatically. And that's how you change the administrator name on Windows 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.